Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Miata headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver and your new headlight unit. Safety is paramount, so ensure your car is completely off and disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical issues. Next, locate the headlight assembly. It's usually quite accessible within the engine bay. This preparation makes the rest of the process smooth and straightforward. Now, let's remove the old headlight. Begin by unscrewing the retaining screws that secure the headlight in its position. There are typically 2 or 3 of these. Once loose, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wires. Finally, with the screws out and the connector free, you can gently pull the old headlight unit straight out of its housing. With the old unit out, it's time for the new one. First, connect the electrical plug to your new headlight bulb, ensuring a snug fit. Then, carefully position the new headlight unit into its housing. Make sure it sits flush and securely. Once it's properly seated, fasten the retaining screws to hold the headlight firmly in place. Double-check that everything feels stable before moving on. Almost done, reconnect your car battery and turn on your headlights to test the new unit. Ensure both high and low beams are working correctly. If needed, adjust the headlight aim for optimal visibility and to avoid blinding other drivers. This usually involves a simple screw adjustment. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.